Hi, I'm Angela Ramsey and welcome to the Ingles table. Today we're going to make some homemade banana bread. We'll start first with our 1 3/4 cup flour. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients here first. We're going to add a little baking soda and a little salt, and then just whisk that together real quick, the dry ingredients here. Now I'm going to do the wet ingredients. We're going to start with some melted butter. Now we're going to do some brown sugar. We use light brown sugar, but you can use light or dark, whichever one you have at home. And then 1 tablespoon of ground flax meal to 2.5 tablespoons of warm water. You mix that up and you're going to want it to set for about 10 or 15 minutes to get that jelly consistency that your egg would be. We pop it in the freezer most of the time, but you want to do this first if you can, so that by the time you're ready for your egg in your recipe, your egg's ready for you. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that in, and then we have some vanilla to get all that smell good stuff in there. I'm just going to whisk that up real quick. Now we reach for our bananas. So we just break these, and I use 4 to 5, so whatever you have. There we go. So I've got 5 in there. I just use the masher and a whisk and it works out fine. You can see the consistency there. So we want to mix this in with the dry ingredients. There we go. I'm going to mix this up really good and then I just pour in our chocolate chips just like that. There we go. So I'm going to slide this into a parchment lined baking dish. We use an 8 by 8 inch square dish. That seems to work out good for the increments. There we go. We're going to add a little sugar on the top just to give it that little sweet kick on the top, and I just barely sprinkle this all across the top. It'll give it that like really nice crystallized look when it comes out of the oven. And now we're going to pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes and see what it looks like when it comes out. So here's our warm banana bread right out of the oven. You can slice this up. We use pretty generous slices, about 1/8 of the pan. I want to thank you for joining me here today at the Ingles table, and make sure to explore the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. I'll see you next time.